Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great large sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2011 Porsche Panamera. This Porsche is powered by all-wheel drive V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has 65,127 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this stunning 2011 Porsche Panamera. With its sleek design and powerful engine, it offers the perfect blend of comfort and speed. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive excellence. This pre-owned Panamera comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power seats, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Porsche Panamera is equipped with Bluetooth navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.